Australia's relationship with Indonesia is based on friendship, trust, mutual respect, and a shared commitment to peace and stability in our region. This treaty is a recognition from both our nations that the best way to secure that peace and stability is by acting together.
We, I think, concluded an important agreement, an important treaty between Australia and Indonesia, committing ourselves to enhance our friendship as partners, as close neighbors, our determination to maintain the best of relationship in order to guarantee the security of both our countries.